Halor ke jingbang padio tulop jengki nong tray ke GHDC kondat ki sangma ke sisa jan kata ka arpu kendai tereng ulalum ya ke jalang ha ke blaidan lang CEM Deputy CEM ka Finance Department Chief Secretary berkiwe de ki he ke GHDC banyamir jingmut halor kani Habai krem bikla pathai khubor kondat ulai thu banak liang ke GHDC ka nang pen kre mentai ke shithi banak liang ke sarkar jula kan le kat bala ban ai ke jingkershan ya ke GHDC.
We have decided that we will move forward in giving them financial support in whatever way possible. So they are preparing the letters now and sending those letters to us. And based on that, the different departments will take the decision. So we'll wait for the letters and then we'll see. But we were updated about the overall situation there, and we realized that we have to move things forward, and the certain commitments that have been given by the GHDC to its employees, they want to fulfill those commitments.
Ulapan charu baga GHDC ga dega bor ka basan char hidalade kumta ga hapwat ikilat banweng ikini kijing bar ki kenram ki bami hindrai na kalyang ka sarkar jala kan ai ga jingershan banyetre lang ringkat.
I also would like to appeal to the employees of the district council. I know there's a lot of discussion and pressure. Members are mentioning that the state government must clear the salaries of the council, but I hope all understand that council is an autonomous body, and entire financials are independent. So it is not linked directly with the state government. Therefore, the council will have to resolve these issues, but we are there to support them. But at this point in time, what is important is the employees and the EC and the council has to work together. There's a new EC, new people have come in. So therefore, this is a good opportunity to really change things and find a solution. So therefore, I would like to urge and appeal to the employees of the district council that they should be positive in this entire situation. The new EC is working very hard to find a solution to this. But if the support is not there, if the staff doesn't join, then how will the files and how will the paperwork move? So all these matters were discussed, and I am also using this platform now through the media to appeal to them that give an opportunity so that they can find a solution. This council and this EC has been newly elected. I am sure that with the support of everybody, we will be able to find solutions to the problems that the district council is facing.